Hey guys, welcome back. What if I told you one simple egg can generate income every single day? And what if you owned a farm producing 10,000 eggs daily? How much investment does it take? How much profit can you actually make? And what are the risks? Today, we're going inside a modern egg factory, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this business works and whether it's worth starting. So let's begin. What is an EGG factory? An egg factory, also called a layer farm, is built specifically for egg production. There are 3 scales: small to 1,000 to 5,000 hens, medium to 10,000 to 30,000 hens, large 50,000 plus hens. The bigger the farm, the bigger the production, and the bigger the investment. Starting with chicks. Everything begins with day-old chicks. Each chick costs around $1. For the first 6 weeks, they stay in a temperature-controlled brooding area. They receive vaccination, special starter feed, clean water. At 18 weeks, hens begin laying eggs. That's when revenue starts. Housing system. Most modern farms use cage systems. Each cage holds 3 to 5 hens, has automatic feeders, has water lines, allows eggs to roll onto collection belts. Temperature is controlled between P-24 degrees Celsius. Automation keeps production efficient and reduces labor costs. Feed system. Feed is the biggest expense, around 60 to 70% of total cost. Each hen eats about 110 grams daily. Feed includes corn, soybean meal, vitamins, calcium. Better feed means better egg production. Egg production. A healthy hen lays about 1 egg per day. Eggs are clean, checked for cracks, weighed, sorted by size. They are packed in trays of 30 eggs, then shipped to markets and supermarkets. Investment REQUI or ready for 10,000 hens. Shed, $50,000. Equipment, $50,000. Chicks, $10,000. Initial feed, $40,000. Setup and utilities, $10,000. Land not included. Monthly expenses. Feed, $25,000, $30,000. Labor, $3,000. Electricity and medicine, $2,000. Total, around $32,000 monthly. Profit calculation. 9,000 eggs per day equals 270,000 eggs per month. If 1 egg sells for 12 cents, monthly revenue equals $32,400. Estimated profit, $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Profit increases when egg prices rise. Risks: disease, feed price increase, market price drop, poor management. Proper planning reduces risk. The egg factory business is stable, high demand, long-term profitable, but it requires discipline and smart management. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Because here, we don't just talk about business. We break down how money is made. We don't just make videos here, because every single video on this channel is built to make you more powerful.